editing this. I'm just typing a simple prompt. Watch what happens. Boom.
Generated by Wery.ai.
At WeryAI, an all-in-one AI creative platform that's been getting attention for trying to solve a common creator problem: tool overload. Right now, most creators rely on multiple platforms for text to video, image generation, editing, subtitles, and upscaling. WeryAI's idea is simple: bring those workflows together in one place, combining multiple AI models and editing tools into a single creative environment. In this video, I'll use WeryAI step by step so you can see how the platform actually performs in real usage, from generation to editing to final export, and whether it delivers content that's genuinely ready to publish. Dashboard overview. After logging in, the first thing I notice is how centralized everything feels. Instead of switching between different tools or interfaces, WeryAI organizes video generation, image generation, animation, and editing inside one dashboard. This reflects WeryAI's central kitchen approach. You generate, refine, and finalize content without leaving the platform. For beginners, the learning curve is low. The layout is clear, options are easy to locate, and the workflow feels logical even on the first use. This makes it suitable not just for experienced creators, but also marketers, e-commerce teams, and designers who want results without technical friction. Text to video. Let's start with text to video. I select a video model, enter a prompt like a cinematic product showcase with soft lighting. Select ratio, then video duration, and click on Create. The speed stands out. The video is ready within minutes. For creators working on tight schedules or producing frequent content, this fast turnaround removes a major bottleneck and keeps the focus on ideas instead of waiting times. Visual consistency. One important factor in AI video is consistency, especially for branding or recurring visuals. In the generated result, the subject remains coherent across frames, and the visual style stays stable. There's no random drift or sudden changes, which is crucial for product videos, marketing clips, or storytelling content. Image to video. Next, I test image to video. First, select the model, then upload a static image, aspect ratio, then video duration, and click Create. WeryAI animates it while preserving the original subject and structure. The process is quick, and the motion feels controlled rather than exaggerated. This feature works well for turning product images, illustrations, or design assets into short videos, especially useful for social media or e-commerce presentations. Editing tools. Where WeryAI starts to separate itself is in editing controllability. Inside the same interface, I can replace or remove backgrounds, add or edit subtitles, remove watermarks, refine visuals without exporting to another tool. To remove background, I simply select Background Remover, then select Background Color, Output Format, and click on Create. Instead of stopping at AI generation, WeryAI focuses on turning outputs into deliverable content. 4K enhancement. After editing, I apply 4K enhancement. The improvement in clarity is noticeable. The video looks sharper and more professional, making it suitable for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and e-commerce listings. This step highlights an important point. WeryAI isn't just about generating content. It's designed to produce results that are ready to be published, not just previewed. Style switching. Another useful feature is style switching. With a few clicks, I can transform the same content into different visual styles, such as cinematic or anime style, while keeping the subject recognizable. This allows creators to test multiple creative directions without starting from scratch each time. It's especially helpful for experimentation, marketing variations, or creative prototyping. Final download. Once everything is finalized, downloading is quick and straightforward. From idea to finished video, the entire workflow happens inside WeryAI: generation, editing, enhancement, and download, which saves time and reduces complexity. Overall experience. Based on hands-on use, WeryAI performs well across the key review dimensions: fast generation and export, stable visuals and subjects, strong in-platform editing options, clear, high-resolution outputs, beginner-friendly interface, rather than replacing creativity. If you're looking for an AI creative platform that combines generation, editing, and delivery in one place, WeryAI is definitely worth testing. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Use this code DORY999 and get 10% discount. Join now and start your journey.